The disappearance of gravity is a fascinating yet horrifying thought experiment that serves to illustrate the fundamental role gravity plays in both our universe and daily life. Gravity, a force responsible for binding together stars, planets, and galaxies, also plays a critical role in shaping and sustaining life on Earth. If it were to suddenly vanish, the miscarriage of cosmic order would be instant and catastrophic alike. Galaxies, currently bound by gravity's unseen grasp, would disperse as their constituent stars drift apart. Galaxies would cease to exist as individual entities, leading to an entirely different cosmic landscape. Likewise, stars, whose existence relies on a delicate balance between gravitational pull and nuclear fusion, would either collapse under their own mass or explode, producing cosmic chaos beyond comprehension. Planets, like Earth, would lose their orbits and float aimlessly in space without the gravitational attraction to their stars. This drifting could result in planetary collisions, further compounding universal disorder. On Earth, the removal of gravity would provoke immediate and catastrophic changes. Our planet's atmosphere, no longer held in place, would escape into space, exposing the surface to unmitigated solar radiation and rendering the conditions on Earth unsurvivable. Not bound to the ground, humans, vehicles, buildings, and oceans would commence floating away, disrupting life as we know it. Earth's ecosystems would collapse, with critical processes grounded in gravity, such as water flow and the air cycle, coming to a halt. Rivers, lakes, and oceans would lose their ability to stay in place, and the directional growth of plants would cease, as gravity no longer provided a cue for roots and stems. Biologically, the human body would encounter severe challenges. Our cardiovascular and musculoskeletal systems, evolved under consistent gravitational force, would falter. The lack of gravity would inflict rapid muscle and bone loss, as well as affect blood circulation, primarily impairing brain function. The balance mechanism, intrinsically linked to gravity-sensitive parts within the inner ear, would face disruption, leading to disorientation and balance impairments. In terms of space exploration, the situation would be dire as well. Satellites and space stations, unanchored from gravity, would lose their orbits and drift away, cutting off global communications reliant on satellite technology. Spacecraft dependent on gravitational mechanics for navigation would no longer function, essentially bringing space exploration to a standstill. The disappearance of gravity contradicts our current understanding of the laws of physics, specifically the general theory of relativity provided by Einstein, which describes gravity as the curvature of spacetime.